Hello guys! Hello mga kamarites! For today's video, it's a very special day for me because it's my birthday! It's my birthday! It's my birthday! Now we will, let me share you, not we will, let me share you how I celebrate or they celebrate my birthday in Philippines and my birthday here in India. Now let's see. Now this is the first part of the celebration. We have this chow mein, which is same as pancit in Philippines, and this one is vermicelli pudding, or in India it's a kheer. Now let's enjoy the first part. Now let's go and eat, enjoy the food. See. Go. Ikaw na, Chachu. Daddy.
पकड़ के ढंग से ले, डर रही है पकड़ने में भी।
See, I started.
क्यों दबा दिया? बंद हो गया। अरे बंद हो गया।
No, you compress here na.
अरे कोना my photos not good.
It's okay. It's video na. It's okay.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, let's.
Happy birthday.
Oh, wish na, baby.
No, no power.
Not strong.
प्लेट नहीं लाए कटोरिया।
Wait.
What happened?
I remove this one. No?
हैं?
What's that?
It's
Sticker.
Yeah.
दे दो ना।
Yes, good, Chachu.
वो तो लाइन है तू करी मरती। वही ना तुम्हारी मरती ना। ओहो।
Chachu, this one also.
तेरा ना वहाँ तेरा
बैठ हुई थी तब लाना था नहीं
ना। तब तो खत्म भी हो गया होगा।
Happy birthday, dear Bunny. This one, oh, this one is flake. No, it's wafer. It's wafer.
Eat.
Oh, eat, Maria.
Eat Maria.
You eat, Maria.
Oh my! It's
Ay,
soggy.
kuya.
It's soggy.
Mas crunchy.
It's amazing. Maria eat Maria.
Eat ना. It's
ये सब यक्की। मुझे क्या होता कटोरियाँ कहाँ हैं?
soggy.
Birthday to you. That also not so na.
I wish you happy birthday, dear.
Wish you happy birthday, mama.
You live healthy and wealthy life. Fulfill your all dreams.
Are you listening me? Your daughter is too much happy. Come here. You without missing the
Eh,
video.
too much pumpkin cake, pineapple, with cherries.
Sorry, we not celebrate too much because of Navratri here.
Yes, it's okay. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I need plate, baby.
Wait, man. It's not your work.
Eating. Enjoying.
Enjoy pineapple cake.
देखो।
खाने दो सब.
Let her eat na
Here,
pala.
here, no.
Buksa me.
हाँ, अदर?
See, she's already Indian. Not a Filipino.
I'm not blaming you. You're Maria flipping there.
She's a typical Indian girl.
Yummy.
Yummy.
तो खाई देखी तो।
So let's throw all the spoon.
Hi, baby.
Okay, now it's time to eat the paneer with roti and some limca. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat, guys.
Happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you.
Paano? Ay, grabe. Sige. Pagka na-post to sa YouTube, alam.
Bawang.
Ay, kayo dyan. Smile. Ay?
Huwag mo ba sa TikTok ko po? Mag-SMR po ako eh.
Ay, kain siya. Oh.
Masarap naman in fairness.
Sarap naman.
Gail, okay naman yung food.
Lalagay nga na sa vlog niya eh.
Di ba laging pa-portrait yung ano niya? Vlog niya. Hindi ko siya landscape.
Ganda naman ito. Sino pag isa niyan?
Basta nakita ko na lang sa bahay.
Hello guys, we're done our dinner. And now, dinner and also the celebration of my birthday. Now, it's time for us to sleep. Our little one is already sleeping. So, thank you so much for all the people who celebrate my birthday. My family in Philippines, I love you so much. We love you. We miss you. Just take care all of you. And God bless. And also to my family here in India who's celebrating my birthday. Thank you so much. I love you all. Mwah. And also to my one and only Mary Jan. I love you so much. Thank you for celebrating my birthday even though we are apart. At least we're working on it and we're trying very hard to make it all good to our family, for our future, for our better future. Thanks for all the efforts. We love you. I love you. And see you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and click the notifications bell before. And before that, just don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. And no more long story, just thanks everyone for this wonderful day. See you again next vlog.